In the name of Allah, who's the most compassionate and the most merciful. This is Rajasthan University, Faculty of Computer Science, English Language. Infotech English for Computer User, Unit 11, Lesson 11. The title is Optical Storage, and the year is 2020. I am Ali Muhammad, and I'll be with you in this lecture. I hope that you are fine and having a good health and good life with your family. Okay, let's go ahead. The topics that we have in this unit are this unit is going to talk about optical storage and optical disk like CD, DVD, HD DVD and Blu-ray, and drives. A learning objective. What should we do? What we can learn from this unit? That is the learning object. To develop listening and reading skills by recognizing the most relevant information in a text. To acquire technical vocabulary associated with optical storage devices and media. To recognize and use discourse connectors. Okay. We will talk about connectors, we will talk about vocabulary, and we will talk about reading skills and listening skills as well. Language. In grammar section, we will talk about discourse cohesion, connectors, and vocabulary. These vocabularies are covered by this unit, and you should memorize all these vocabularies, and please try to use them in your daily conversation. Optical drive, laser beam, DVD banner, portable DVD player, dual layer, double layer, backward compatible Blu-ray disc, abbreviation, CD-ROM, CDR, CDRW, DVD-ROM, DVD-R, DVD-RW, HD DVD. These are the abbreviation. In listening section, we have understanding a specific information in a conversation and correcting a false statement. In a speaking section, discussing the pros and cons of using different storage devices for particular purposes. What's the meaning? Pros and cons, advantage and disadvantage. Okay. In reading section, we have finding technical specification, formats and use of different optical media in a text, making notes on a text, analyzing the function of linking word in a text, and in writing section, posting a comment on an online forum. Optional material: a CD, a DVD, and a Blu-ray disc. Okay. CDs and DVDs. Task number 1. Discuss this question. What do CD and DVD stand for? It means C is for what and D is for what. CD stand for compact disc. DVD stand for digital versatile disc. D for digital, V for versatile, and D for disc. And CD, C for compact, D for disc. What is the main advantage of using DVD instead of a CD? DVDs can hold more information than CDs. A basic DVD can hold up to 7 times more data than a compact disc. See, a DVD has more capacity than CD. How do you say this expression in your language? Optical disc. Optical disc disc یا دیسک نوری. لیزر بیم. لیزر بیم اشعه لیزری. backward compatible. Backward compatible, we can say that this is supporting and the previous version of something. For example, اگر شما از ورد 2003 استفاده میکنین، ورد 2007 کامپتیبل است. اگر شما از CD استفاده میکنین، بعدا DVD کامپتیبل است، یعنی DVD میتونه CD رو بخونه اما CD نمیتونه که DVD رو بخونه، یعنی او کامپتیبل نیست. CD کامپتیبل نیست اما DVD کامپتیبل است. خدا کنه فهمیده باشه. Okay, let's go ahead. Here we have the listening section. In this listening, Paul wants to buy some blank disc. Listen to his conversation with the sales assistant and check your answer to A. Okay. Listen again and decide whether these sentences are true or false. You can play here and you. Okay. Please try with yourself if you can find the answer for these 7 sentences, whether they are false or true. And if you can't, here is the answer key. You may check your answers from here. Okay, let's go ahead. What do we have in task number 2? Optical disc and drives. Read the text on page 53 and find the followings. Here is a text. The text talk about DVD and CDs, and you may find these 6 sentences in that reading section in page number 53. The advantage and disadvantage of optical disc over magnetic disc. Optical disc can store data at much higher densities. Multimedia applications where images, animation, and sound occupy a lot of disk. What is an optical disc? Optical disc can store data at much higher densities than magnetic disc. They are therefore ideal for multimedia application where image, animation, and sound occupy a lot of disk space. Furthermore, they are not affected by magnetic fields. This means that they are secure and stable. For example, they can be transported through airport metal detectors without damaging the data. However, optical drives are slower than hard drives. 17 GB. Okay, the storage capacity of a double-sided dual-layer DVD is 17 GB. The third one, the difference between a DVD burner and a DVD recorder is a DVD burner. A DVD burner is a DVD computer drive that records data on DVDs. A DVD recorder typically refers to a stand-alone unit, similar to a video cassette recorder. And number 4, the feature of a portable DVD player, which allows the user to play different formats, that is multi-format playback. The feature of number 5, 2 possible successors to DVDs are HD DVD and Blu-ray, where the Blu-ray format gets its name from. Unlike DVDs, which use a red laser to read-write data, Blu-ray uses a blue-violet laser. Okay, let's go for reading section. And what is in reading section? In reading section we have optical disc and drives. Optical disc can store data at much higher densities. Before we study that, densities than magnetic disc. They are therefore ideal for multimedia application where image, animation, and sound occupy a lot of disk capacities. خوبی یک optical disk، یک دیسک نوری چی هست؟ ای است که میتونه دیتا را ذخیره کنه با یک تراکم بسیار بلند و بیشتر فیلم ها و انیمیشن ها و تصویرهایی که بسیار میتونه کوالیتی بلند داشته باشه، بازو نمیشه که اونا را در حافظه هارد دیسک بگیریم، چرا که هارد دیسک به اون شکل و شکل اساسیش را نمیتونه چی کنه، سیف کنه. بنابراین DVD ضرورت است. DVD میتونه که به یک کوالیتی بسیار بلند ما شما بتونیم در او استورش کنیم. Furthermore, optical discs are not affected by magnetic fields. بر علاوه دیسک های نوری که هستند در محیط مغناطیسی متاثر نمیشن، یعنی خراب نمیشن. meaning that به این معنا که they are secure and stable، اونا مقاوم و امن هستن. and can be transported through airport metal detectors without damaging the data. However, optical drives are slower than hard drives. اونا رو میتونه شما در میدان هوایی بدون کدام حراس انتقال بتین بدون از اینکه خراب شود، دیتایتان خراب شود. However, به هر صورت optical drive are slower than hard drives. همین دیسک های نوری که هستن کمی سرعتشون کمتر است نظر به هارد درایو و نظر به فلش و هارد دیسک. Okay. CDs and DVDs. At first sight, a DVD is similar to a CD. هر دوشون یک سان هستند. Both discs are 120 millimeter in diameter and 1.2 millimeter thick. 1.2 میلیمتر ضخیم هستند و 120 میلیمتر هم به شکل دایروی هستند. diameter به شکل دایروی. They also both use a laser beam to read data. اونا به یک لایت یا به یک شعاع لیزری ضرورت داره که دیتاشون خوانده شود. However, they are very different in internal structure and data capacity. In a DVD, the tracks are very close together, thus allowing more tracks. The bits in which data is stored are also smaller, so there are more bits per track. As a result, a CD can hold 650 to 700 MBs, whereas a basic DVD can hold 4.7 GB. In addition, a DVD can be double-sided and dual layer with a capacity of 17 GB. Okay, see here is the picture 1.6 micron, that is an close-up of a CD. Pit, that is the picture of the pit. It means hole. That is the land where the pits are located, and this is 1.74 micron and close up to a DVD. See, a DVD is very close and a CD is larger than, the pits are larger than a DVD. CD comes in 3 different formats. How many formats? In 3 different formats. CD-ROMs, read-only memory, or read-only units, meaning you cannot change the data stored in them. For example, a dictionary or a game. CDR, recordable. CDR, what is the CDRs? That is recordable. Discs are write-once devices which let you duplicate music CDs and other data CDs. Write-once devices which let you duplicate. You can copy that and paste it in a different place of that CD. Okay, that is CDR, recordable. You can record something on that CD. CDRW, rewritable disk, enable you to write onto them many times, just like a hard disk. This is very useful CD. You can use it for many times, because when you take the file for the first time, then you can rewrite it the second or third time. Okay, that is rewritable, CDRW. Okay, let's continue our reading. DVDs also come in several formats. What are these formats? DVD-ROMs are used in DVD computer drives. They allow for data archiving, as well as interactive content, for example, an encyclopedia or a movie. دایره المعارف یا که فیلم شما میتونین داخل از او ذخیره کنین. DVD R or DVD plus R, DVD minus R, DVD plus R can only be recorded on once. This kind of DVD you can record only once. Okay. DVD minus RW and DVD plus RW disc can be erased and reused many times. They are used to back up data files and to record audio and video. Understand? The DVD drive used in computer is also called a DVD burner because it records information by burning via a laser to a blank DVD disc. However, a DVD record typically refers to a standard stand-alone unit which resembles video cassette recorder. New DVD recorders can play all CD and DVD formats. There are also portable DVD player, handheld devices which let you watch movie or TV, play games and listen to music wherever you are. They come with a built-in DVD drive and widescreen. It means a rectangular 16:9 format LCD display. They usually support multi-format playback. That is, they can play many file formats including DVD videos, DivX, CD, audio disc, MP3 music, and JPG images. HD, DVD, and Blu-ray disc. These two competing formats are expected to replace current DVD as the standard for watching movie at home. On one side are Toshiba, Microsoft, and DVD Forum, who support the high-definition DVD, HD minus HD DVD. Sony, Panasonic, Samsung, GVC, and many movie studios are behind the Blu-ray format. Okay. A Blu-ray disc has a capacity of 25 GB single layer, 50 GB double layer, and 100 GB four layer. Unlike DVDs, which use a red laser to read and write data, Blu-ray uses a blue-violet laser, hence its name. Blu-ray disc can record and play back high-definition television and digital audio as well as computer data. Okay. What is the difference between HD DVD and Blu-ray disc? These two competing formats فرمت‌هایی بودن که رقیب یکدیگر بودن are expected to replace current DVD. میخواستن که به عوض از DVD هایی که فعلا هست در رقابت بردازن و عوض اینها بیاین بازار as the standard for watching movie at home. به خاطر دیدن فیلم استاندارد در خانه. On one side are Toshiba, Microsoft, and the DVD Forum, who support the high definition HD DVD. در یک طرف کمپانی های مثل توشیبا، مایکروسافت و DVD فاروم بود که میخواستن های دیفینیشن یا HD DVD را سپورت کنن، حمایت کنن. در مقابلشان سنی، پاناسونیک، سامسونگ، GVC and many movie studio are behind the Blu-ray format. و اینی کمپانی های دیگه مثل سونی و پاناسونیک و سامسونگ و GVC و اینا بلوری را چی میکردن؟ حمایت میکردن. که بلوری یک لیرش 25 جی بی کپاسیتی یا ظرفیت داره، دو لیرش هم 50 و 4 لیرش 100 جی بی که بسیار کپاسیتی بلند است. اوکی. What is in this exercise? Read the text again and make notes about the feature of CDs and DVDs and Blu-ray disc. CD, capacity and format. The capacity of a CD is 650 to 700 MB. What is the formats? CD-ROMs read-only memory or read-only unit, meaning you cannot change the data stored on them. For example, a dictionary or a game. A CD-R, recordable disk or write once devices which let you duplicate music CDs and other data CDs. And CD-ROM, CD-RW, rewritable disk, enable you to write onto them many times just like a hard drive. Possible uses: CD-ROM to include a dictionary or a game. CD-R to duplicate music and data. CD-RW to backup important files. And DVD, possible uses: what is the capacity of a DVD? A basic DVD can hold 4.7 GB, and a DVD can also be double-sided dual layer with a capacity of 17 GB. What is the format of a DVD? A DVD-ROM are used in DVD computer drive. They allow for data archiving as well as interactive content, for example an encyclopedia or movie. DVD-R or DVD-R Plus can only be recorded on once. DVD-RW and DVD-R Plus W disc can be erased and reused many times. They are used to back up data files and to record audio and video. What is possible uses of this? DVD-ROM to sell interactive content, for example encyclopedia, movie, etc. DVD-R to back up information. DVD-RW to back up data files and to record audio and video. And what is the capacity and format and possible uses of Blu-ray disc? In capacity and formats, you can say capacity 25 single layer, 50 dual layer, and 100 GB 4 layers. In format, no mention in text. And possible use to record and play high definition TV, audio and computer data. Okay, understand what are the differences between DVD and series. We reach to task number 3. In task number 3, with language work, connectors. What are connectors? Connectors are those that combine two sentences, two clauses with each other, to join two clauses with each other. That is called connectors. Look at these extract from the text and put the word in italic into the correct column of the table. They are therefore ideal for multimedia application. Therefore is a connector. Furthermore is a connector. However is a connector. As a result is a connector. In addition is a connector. Whereas is a connection is a connector. See, if you want to continue and add more detail about something, we can say furthermore. Okay. Optical discs are not affected by therefore optical discs are not affected by magnetic field. However, there are very different in internal structure and data capacity. As a result, در نتیجه in conclusion, in addition and furthermore are the same. However and but are the same. However talks about two different sentences. And it connects two different ideas. Okay, as a result, a CD can hold 650 or 700 MB, whereas a basic DVD can hold 4.7 GB. Whereas also shows the differences between two ideas. In addition, a DVD can be double-sided and dual layer. Here is the indicating addition, further in addition, and making contrast, however and whereas, explaining the result or effect of something, therefore and as a result. Okay, here's the connector. In addition to the use of connectors covered in unit 8, we also use connector for the following purposes. These are the purposes of using a connector: indicating addition, بیان کردن ایده یا مفکوره اضافی. اگر ما بخوایم مفکوره اضافی را در یک جمله یا در یک پاراگراف اضافه کنیم، از کانکتورها یا کانجنکشن ها استفاده میکنیم. Therefore, beside, and, in addition, and moreover. For example, I went to bazaar and I bought vegetables, fruit. Beside that, I bought bread as well. Okay, making a contrast. However, although, on the other hand, whereas, but, these are the making contrast between two sentences. For example, these days we study our lesson online. On the other hand, or however, it is very difficult to access to the computer, access to the internet. We continue our lesson online, explaining the result on or effects of something. Therefore, so, consequently, as a result, thus, because. Therefore, بنابراین, so, بنابراین, consequently, در نتیجه, as a result, در نتیجه, thus, با وجودی که, because, بخاطر که. Okay. See here, although CDs and DVDs are similar in size and shape, the data structure is very different. Here is an example of connectors. Although, okay, DVDs hold more data than CDs. The bits burnt into the disk are smaller than on a CD, and tracks are closer together. On the other hand, no. As a result, DVD can have up to 4 recording layers. Here, as a result, a Blu-ray disk drive costs a lot of money, so you should use it carefully. Blu-ray is expected to replace DVD over the coming year because it offers much greater storage capacity. Both Blu-ray and HD DVD devices are backward compatible with current CDs and DVDs, meaning you can play your old disc on the new player. Sony has invested millions of dollars in the development of Blu-ray technology. The success of Blu-ray is therefore vital for the company's future. Vital. Okay. Task number 4, choosing storage and devices. Look at the product in the computer catalog and choose the most suitable devices for the purposes. Give reason for your choices. Try to use some connectors from the help box on page 54 to keep the operating system and programs on a home computer, that is Seagate hard drive. Seagate hard drive. To watch a movie on a plane or in a back seat of a car, that is Panasonic portable DVD player. To hold your favorite photos and music, that is Seagate hard drive. Lumigate portable hard drive. Toshiba USB flash drive. To make backup copies and to transport files between computer in a big company, that is Lemigo portable hard drive. Lassie DVD drive. To hold historical record on the National Library, that is Seagate hard drive. Lassie hard DVD drive. And to read, write and rewrite high definition video on TV, Sony Blu-ray disc drive. Okay. Thanks for your attention. Ask me if you have any question. We'll see each other if God is willing. Thanks for your attention once again.